Digital PR ASMR. Today I will be teaching you how to run a successful influencer marketing campaign. Remember, if you like what you see, hit the like button and subscribe today. Thank you. Did you know that influencer marketing is one of the fastest growing channels right now in digital marketing, and with 40% of people choosing to buy after seeing an ad online through influencer marketing? Today we have an example of a PR box that I'll be unboxing today with my 5 top tips for influencer marketing. Let's get into it. Don't sweat over follower account. Follower count is not the most important thing in influencer marketing. We recommend looking at engagement rates. You can calculate an influencer engagement rate by dividing the amount of comments and likes on a post versus how many followers they have. We recommend an engagement rate of around 2%. However, this varies from influencer to influencer. Set your goals from the start. Think about what you want to achieve from this partnership. Let your influencer have a say. Don't be too controlling. Research your influencer. Think about where your audience would go to buy this product and who they would trust and want to buy from. 72% of people say that they'd rather buy from an influencer who is relevant than has more followers. Don't just focus your activity on one channel. Even though influencers may seem bigger on Instagram, think about YouTube and TikTok as these are growing channels right now. And remember that video is king. Create long-term lasting relationships with your influencers. Whilst one-off partnerships may seem beneficial in the short term, long-term relationships will help build trust with your influencers and your brand.